Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. Today I was so fancy of a proper sexy pasta. And there is nothing more sexy, my friend, than a nice courgette cream and crispy sausage pasta. Once you try, you will realize why I call sexy pasta. Please make sure you like and subscribe. That will help us to grow the channel a lot. Thank you very much. But now, come with me. Facciamola. First step for this beautiful recipe, white onion. We're gonna roughly chop that. Don't worry about the shape, the size. We need to blend everything at the end. Obviously, bear in mind, the bigger you cut, the longer it's gonna take to cook. Next ingredients, courgettes. Again, you can slice them however you like, but remember, the smaller they are, the quicker they will cook. And with our last courgette, we are going to gain a bit more color. Therefore, we're gonna use just the outside part. Slice them same size of the other ones, so they cook at the same time. Into the pot. Little bit of butter, drizzle of olive oil, black pepper, little bit of salt. Don't put too much at this stage because we're gonna cook and reduce down the cream. You know, if you put too much salt now, you're gonna find the cream very salty. We can always add salt. For the first couple of minutes, we wanna keep the temperature very high, so we give a little bit of color to the courgette and the onion as well. As you can see, after a couple of minutes, courgettes are already almost very soft. They're producing loads of liquids already, and that will help the courgette to cook even faster. I will say is almost cooked, and it's time for us to add the cream. We're gonna reduce the cream down for a few minutes, and then we're gonna put the temperature medium to low heat, and we're gonna simmer down with our lid on for maybe 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, the courgettes are fully cooked, and it's time to turn the cream off, put the lid on, and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before you blitz. We're gonna fry off some sausage meat, and we're gonna make that very crispy. Once it's warm, just crumble the sausage already in the pan. And we're gonna use the sausage fat to cook off the sausage, so no other olive oil or butter required for this step. We really want to break that very small. You see that? That is crispy goodness. There we go. At this stage we can turn off, and it's very important to keep the crispiness that we dry all the excess fat. And to do that, we're gonna place all the sausage on some kitchen paper. There we go, look at that. It's time to finish off our lovely cream. I really love basil, so I tend to put basil pretty much everywhere. Putting basil at this stage, it will not just give loads of flavor, but it will also give a bit of extra color. And look at that, how beautiful that looks. Nice and green. Now we can season. So black pepper, pinch of salt, leave that to sit for a little bit before tasting it. Now it's time to taste and check the seasoning. Beautiful. It's time to cook the pasta. for this recipe, I was asking to my wife, what kind of pasta should we use for this? And as soon as she heard the ingredients, she said, oh, why we don't get the scoopy pasta? Why? Because so like that the cream and the sausage can go into the pasta as a scoop. And therefore we pick them, the conchiglie.
It's upside down.
The conchiglie. Okay, we can leave to rest the pasta for a minute. We're gonna grab our sausage pan, still with the fat inside, turn it on so all the fat will start melt and everything. Nice. Add some courgette cream and then our scoopy pasta. Don't worry about the water. Keep the water into the pasta. Don't drain it properly because we always need a little bit of pasta water. And there we go. Look at that. Boom, boom. Touch of butter. Nice. Touch of black pepper. This pasta.
Like an Italian Donald Trump.
This pasta.
I quit!
Straight from the pan with a big spoon. Very nice.
It's nice!
10 out of 10, my friend. Please, let me know, once you make the pasta, let me know in the comments if it's a sexy pasta or not for you, okay? See you in the next video. Ciao!